Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video for you guys today. This is my F150 2018 with the 4-wheel drive package. And a lot of you guys probably wondering, how tall is it? So this is actually the stock. This is the stock vehicle right here. There's no leveling kit on it, no lift kit, stock tires, stock wheels. So if you guys are wondering how tall the actual truck is, I have a tape measure here today that I'm going to show you, and we're going to measure the truck to see how tall it is, just for purposes of going into parking garage, trying to fit your truck into your own garage or getting into small spots. You know exactly how tall the truck is, and this can actually be before, and then maybe quote unquote if I get it lifted, who knows, right? We can do the after to see how much that lift actually gets you compared to the stock height. So let's go do that right now. When we get into the truck, we're going to pull it around. I have a tape measure and I'm going to measure it out for you. But before we do that, if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Professor Mike. I post new videos on anything truck related, car related on Wednesdays and Sundays at 8 p.m. So subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get updated every time I post a new video. And if you guys are wondering on any kind of mods I've done to the truck, there's a link in the description to Amazon where you can find every single mod I've done to the truck so far. And as you guys watch the build to progress, you'll see over and over of how many mods I do. So, and you can buy everything on Amazon, which is what I do. Saves you a lot of money and saves you a lot of time. So let's jump into the video and take a look at, we got the tape measure right here, so we're gonna measure out how tall the actual truck is. And they always have some kind of construction going on in the UCF area. As you guys know, UCF stands for Under Construction Forever, I guess, here in Orlando, Florida. Oh my gosh, there's always something going on. I have no idea what they're doing here because this was supposed to be student housing, but I don't know if it's a parking garage now or it's more student housing. I couldn't tell you, but always something going on. It's crazy every time. And then they gotta do something about this because that looks gross out there. Yeah, so those buildings, they gotta destroy those and knock them down and build something nicer out there because those are looking rough. All right, so here we go right here. Tape measure, and we're gonna measure from the wheel to the top of the wheel well to the hood, and then from the ground to the top of the roof to see an exact comparison. So let's do this right now. Okay, 3 feet 1 inch to the top of the wheel well. 3 feet and 1 inch, 37 inches from the wheel to the top of the wheel well. Let's go to the hood real quick. How tall is it from the bottom to the hood? Alright, I'm going to say that's 4 feet and 3 inches, or 4'3" to the from the top, 4'3" or 51 inches from here to the top of the hood. Now let's see how tall the actual truck is to see if you can fit this in your garage. So some people have a 7-foot garage, 6 foot, 8 foot. Can this truck fit into the garage? Let's take a look. Alright, so I'm going to say that the top is going to be 6'10" or 6'9", which is about 81 to 82 inches tall. So if you do have a 7-foot garage, you can definitely make it into the garage. You will have probably like 2 to 3 inches of room, but you can make it into a 7-foot garage. Now, 8 feet garage, fit all day. If you have a 6-inch lift in the front, it will raise it in the front 6 inches. Well, actually will make the roof taller. Yes, it will. So a 7-foot garage, depending on how big the tires are, how big the wheels are, really depends on the lift. 6-inch lift, you're good for about definitely an 8-foot an 8-foot garage, no problem with that. But with a 7-foot, I mean, if you drive it really fast, you could probably squeeze it in there and tear the roof off. But so yeah, let's take a look at the back real quick to see if it's actually any taller. So we're gonna see the back to see if the truck is any taller in the back than it is in the front. Like you said, in the front, It is a four-wheel drive, so it does have a little bit of a level, but it still has a rake. So let's take a look at the back real quick. Alright, so the back is 40.5 inches, which is 4 more inches than the front. Remember, the front was 37 inches, so it's 3 to 4 inches taller in the back. So if you wanted to do a level, I would suggest going with a 2.25, 2.5 inch level, just to get that nice level stance in the front, because that will raise it up to like 40 to like 39, and this will be about 40, so like maybe a ½ inch taller in the back, which is fine. So if you guys are wondering how much a lift is going to get you, you will definitely get 6 inches in the front, but depending on how tall the back is, it may only raise it about 2 to 3 inches in the back, whether you have a 4-inch block or a 5-inch block in the back. So that's how tall the truck is. The truck is sitting at most height at 6 foot and 10 inches tall, or 6'9", and if I were to lift it, definitely probably can't fit into the garages anymore. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a like and a comment down below. I get back to all my viewers, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.